Okay, I have some news to report. We're here at the Hyatt Regency in Sarasota, Florida, and these elevators are being modernized. This one is out of service as a result. We're gonna ride the others. That up there is an old Westinghouse lantern, and they replaced the chimes.
Lower lobby. Going up.
COP and the voice are still original though. Well, the voice was added, but that isn't part of the modernization project. Here we are at 10. Whoa.
Going down.
Looks like they're doing renovations too, and this one is about to leave me.
10th floor. Going down.
We're gonna go to LL. These were installed in 1972 as Westinghouse, modernized by Schindler, possibly in 2008 because that's when the hotel renovations were, but sometime not that long ago with Innovation Decorator, and now they're being mod again.
3rd floor. Going down.
As you see, door closed does not work. And I don't know who just called at 3, but they didn't get on. There's your certificate and your phone. We're gonna go get another elevator. We'll send that one out.
Lower lobby. Going up. Going up.
We're gonna go up to 10 now. Hello. So these two elevators are still, I mean, not original, but they still have not been modernized yet. And as you hear, there are new chimes, and so far I think that's about it. Here we are at 10.
10th floor. Going down.
Look at that. Confirmed, it is being modernized. I'm gonna ask the hotel staff about this later on. And here is the elevator that they're doing work on. Hey, they kept the dinner bell original.
10th floor. Going down.
Okay, I can't ring it again, but at least we know it's still original.
10th floor.
Oh, you can ring it again.
Going down.
Never mind. Listen.
10th floor. Going down.
We're gonna go to L. Alright, with that being said, that'll be it. Okay, so I just talked to someone that works here. Apparently that elevator on the left is getting replaced because this is like a $1 million elevator project. I'm not sure why it needs to be replaced rather than just modernized. That's what's happening. So anyway, she didn't say anything about the other two elevators, but basically, yeah, that one elevator is getting replaced. So with that being said, that'll be it.